Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Roblox. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. This is typically found by searching Roblox online. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located prominently on the screen. Click this button to begin the registration process. This initial step sets the foundation for your exciting journey into the Roblox universe, preparing you for all the fun ahead. Next, you will be prompted to enter your birth date, making sure to select the correct month, day, and year. This helps Roblox tailor your experience and enforce safety guidelines for younger users. Then, create a unique username. Remember, this is how other players will identify you, so choose something memorable and appropriate. After that, pick a strong password with at least 8 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols for maximum security. Keep your password confidential. After setting up your basic profile, it is highly recommended to verify your email address or phone number. This step significantly enhances your account's security, helping to prevent unauthorized access and making password recovery much simpler. Roblox will send a verification code to your chosen contact method, which you then enter back on the website. Taking this extra minute to verify provides peace of mind and ensures your account is well protected against potential issues, safeguarding your progress and creations. Finally, with all your details entered and confirmed, you will be asked to review and accept the Roblox Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Always take a moment to understand these important agreements. Once you click the Sign Up button, your account is officially created, and you are ready to begin your adventure. You can now jump into any game, customize your avatar with thousands of options, and start connecting with friends. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities within the vibrant Roblox community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.